I'm here in Santa Cruz, Bolivia, in the middle of a soy field. This particular area was recently cleared for soy, and most of the forest around here is slated to be chopped down in the coming months. So I wanted to fly the drone over to get footage of what's going to be lost. I'm here flying a drone over this soy field and these areas of forest that are being cleared for soy expansion. The forest here is this interesting transition zone between the Amazon and the Chaco dry forest. It's characterized by a closed canopy, and it's quite diverse. This area is home to species like tapirs, jaguars, and puma. Actually, pretty high density of these species. Bolivia is actually losing quite a lot of forest these days to industrial agriculture and cattle pasture. It has one of the higher deforestation rates in Latin America. I'm here specifically looking into a story on human-wildlife conflict and how a rancher here in Santa Cruz is working to reduce jaguar predation.